4 unexpected habits that will fix 74% of your money problems and why most people fail. What if I told you there are just 4 simple habits that could solve the majority of your money problems? Habits that most people either overlook or completely ignore. By the end of this video, you'll wonder why you haven't been doing them all along. Stick around because once you hear these, your financial future could change forever. But first, this is Powerful Money Habits. I'm your host, Dr. Stephanie Aldrich, and I like to talk about habits and money that can help improve your life. If you're new to the channel and like the video, please go and click on the link, subscribe below, and stay till the end so you can see what areas you may want to focus on for the new year. Also, if you want to change your own money habits, go grab a free copy of my 10th book, Powerful Money Habits, Unleash Financial Freedom. The link is down in the description below. Also, on that website is a free 60-minute masterclass training where I teach the 3 money moves that you need to make in order to build financial freedom. Again, go to powerfulmoneyhabits.com. So let's get back to the show, okay? Before though, I want to tell everybody Happy New Year. I hope that you are blessed this year and you can take all the information from this channel and my videos to be prosperous, to thrive, and survive. So let's get busy. The first unexpected habit that will fix most of your money problems is time blocking for money tasks. Dedicate specific blocks of time each week solely to managing your finances. You got to review your spending. You got to set your savings goals, and you've got to find opportunities to invest. This eliminates procrastination and ensures you consistently focus on your money. If you don't pay attention to your money, or if you're actually hitting your goals by reviewing them, you'll never know if you hit them, right? It's a good idea at least once a month to plan out your budget, and then weekly make sure you're allocating your money properly that matches your financial goals. And then quarterly, look at your investments and see if you need to change anything and start tracking your net worth. This is what I do, and it's been so transformative for my financial journey. The second one is the no subscription challenge. You got to do it. You got to cut out all unnecessary subscriptions. That could be streaming, your apps, your meal plans, whatever that is, for the next 30 days. And manually sign up again only for the ones that you genuinely miss. This practice can save hundreds of dollars and forces you to rethink where your money is going. Do you really need that monthly subscription for meals? Are you watching all of those shows on all of those different networks? Don't kill your budget by making payments to everyone but yourself. The next one is automate 1% more each month. Automate just 1% more of your income into savings and investment accounts each and every month. This slow and steady increase builds wealth over time with little pain or sacrifice. You probably won't even notice. But Steph, I can't save 67% of my income like you're doing. Okay, I understand that. Don't worry about it. But if you watch my free masterclass on the Powerful Money Habits website, I suggest this to a man who attended my workshop. He wanted to grow 30% for the year, and I told him, why don't you start this month with a small 1% increase? So let's say you're bringing home $7,000 a month, and you're saving $700 a month. So that's 10%, right? If you increase it by 1%, That would mean you're now saving only an extra $70 this month. Okay? It's only $70. That's not a lot of money. Cut out a $6 a month streaming service, right? And that for the year equals $70. Next month, eliminate your daily coffee run, and that will be your next month's $70. And before you know it, you'll be up another 12% by next year. And that's a total of 22% now, right? If you go little by little, you can make a big difference without really noticing it. And the last one is you gotta turn money into a game. Create a competitive or fun challenge around cutting expenses or earning extra cash. Use apps to track progress or compete with a friend who can save the most. See who can save the most, or find the best side hustle in the next 30 days. Make it a game, okay? I know for myself, I love doing no spend challenges. So what I've done this past year, I pick 1 or 2 months where I have all my extra money. I don't do anything with it. I save it and I put it towards something fun. A vacation. We bought tickets to a Christmas orchestra concert. So with that money, I was already going to blow it on something, but this way I can do something fun with my family. So I didn't spend any of my non-discretionary funds, and I put that towards those tickets. You can also do this with the previous habit. If you can save 1% more a month and do that for an entire year, you could treat yourself to something small, and that could be your celebration for that achievement. Celebrating and having fun along the way helps to motivate you to keep going and following the course and make it worth all the sacrifice and hard work. So now that you know these 4 powerful habits, it's time to take action. Remember, small, consistent changes can lead to massive results in your financial life. Don't be like everyone else who overlooks these game changers. And they're not big game changers, right? Start applying them today and watch how quickly 74% of your money problems begin to disappear. So that's it for the show today. Thanks for watching. Which of these habits are you going to implement to fix your money problems? Let me know down in the comments. And until next time, this is Powerful Money Habits.